Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with IRS e-file for business returns, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with IRS e-file for business returns, start by gathering the necessary documents. Ensure you have your employer identification number, or EIN, on hand. Next, visit the official IRS e-file website. Locate the section dedicated to business tax returns. Select the specific form you need to e-file. Before proceeding, confirm that you have the required software or online service that supports e-filing. Open your chosen e-filing software or online platform. Begin the process by entering your employer identification number. Provide the basic information about your business, including your legal name and address. Next, input your financial data and any other required details pertaining to your business return. Once all information is entered, navigate to the authentication section of the software. For authentication, you will be prompted to provide your previous year's adjusted gross income or AGI. If your business is newly established and does not have an AGI, follow the specific instructions provided by your e-filing software. After entering your AGI, double-check all the information for accuracy. Submit your tax return electronically through the e-filing system. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation email from the IRS. Keep this confirmation for your records as proof of e-filing. If there are any issues during the process, consult the help section of your e-filing software. Complete your e-filing by ensuring that all steps are fully finished and verified. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.